Hello, welcome to this new tutorial where we're going to see how to use the Zoom application. So for you to start using the Zoom application, you have to download it. If you use an Android phone, you can get it from Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone. So when you come to Play Store, you come to the search bar and you look for Zoom. So this is what is going to show up. So you can take download and it starts downloading. On my side, I've already downloaded this app. So all I will do is I will leave from this place and I will go and open the Zoom application. So after the download, you open the Zoom application. Surely, if it's the first time you're opening this application, this is what is going to show up. So from here, you can sign up by giving all your information, your Google account, and so on. As for me, I've already signed up, so I'm just going to sign in. So I'm going to sign in using my Google account. So I click on sign in with Google, and from here I choose my account. So they will ask me to launch the app Zoom. So when I launch it up, this is what is going to show up. Should in case you finish signing up, this is what you're going to see, where you can decide to join a meeting or you can schedule a meeting yourself. You just give all the information and you click on done. But this video, I'm mostly going to see how to join a meeting, especially when they have already given you a link to join the meeting. So on my side, I've already received a link to join a meeting and I received it through my email. So I'll get to email. If, for example, they sent it to you through WhatsApp, you just get to WhatsApp and click on the link. As for me, I'll get to the email account and this is it that is sent to me. So the message will be like this. They will give you the link, which is this the link here. You have the meeting ID. This meeting ID is in case you are not joining a meeting through the link. So as from here, if you take join a meeting, you will see they will ask for the meeting ID. So instead of me using the link, I can use this meeting ID, then they will ask for the password. So as for me, I'm just going to click on the link and they will ask me, do you want to open it with Chrome or with Zoom? I'll just take with Zoom and this is what is going to show up. So when you click on the link, the host will let you in. So when they say this, it means the host will have to give you access to the meeting he created. So the host is the person who actually organized the meeting, the person who actually sent you the link. So we're going to wait. The host is going to send to admit us. When he admits us, you see immediately it leads us to this place. So you can see we have started. So the meeting is currently going on. The meeting is currently going on. So we can realize that from here we cannot actually listen to what is going on in the meeting because the meeting is already going on, but we're not hearing anything. So you will see here Wi-Fi or cellular data. Here you have to click on it in order to allow the the microphone of the host or to allow or to have to listen to what the host is actually saying. So when you come here, you have to make sure that here up this you have to make sure that up here it is actually not cancelled, meaning it is activated, so that you can be getting what the host is saying. So here you can see the number of participants, all the participants, you can see those who are connected. And when you are here, you always have to make sure that you mute your microphone. You mute your microphone so that other people should not be getting the noise around you. Else, your noise will be affecting the meeting. So yeah, I'm going to mute this. And yeah, the meeting has started and it's actually going on. So if you have, for example, a question, you can raise your hand up. So when you come here, you're going to you come to more, you're going to see raise hand. So when you raise your hand up, the host is going to see that there is somebody who has a question and he wants more information. So when they have answered your question, you can lower your hand. So if maybe you have a problem or you want to send a message that the host can see, you come here to more and you click on chat, you can type your message, and all the participants and the host, they are going to see what you have written as message. So you can close it back and you're back here. So if um, for example, these are those who are connected. If you want maybe to show maybe your video, because as for now, here is the host, and you can see that only the image or the icon of my account is showing. If I want maybe to be showing uh, the video or to be showing myself as in myself, I will take start video. So if I click on start video, what will happen here is that you can see they're actually seeing me here. They're actually seeing me here because I have activated the start video, and you can see here I am on start video, but my microphone is off. Yeah, so always make sure that your microphone is off until you have to talk. So if you have to talk, you unmute your microphone here. You unmute your microphone should in case you want to talk. So you can equally come here and tap to speak, like on the left. You can click on tap to speak, and the host is going to get you from where he is. So when you are done, you mute yourself again. So like I said, muting yourself is so that they should not be getting the noise. You should not be getting the noise which is around you, so that you should not be disturbing other people. So you can actually go out of this place. Like if I just come to my home screen, you realize that I'm not in Zoom, but the meeting is currently going on, and I can be listening to what they're saying in the meeting while doing my own things. So if I want to go back to the meeting, I'll just click on it up here. I'll just click on it, and when I click on it, you will see it will bring me back to the the Zoom meeting. So you can't actually get what the host is saying here because I'm using a screen recorder which is blocking the host voice. So if you want now to leave or to leave the video, like to stop the meeting, and you just have to click here on leave. You click on leave and they'll ask you leave meeting. You click OK. So actually you have left the meeting and you can't join it again. If you want to join it back, you come back to your link, you click on it, and you join maybe through the Zoom meeting. And from here you realize that you still have to wait for the host to accept you in the meeting. Like for example, now let's wait for a while. You realize that when the host will accept us for the meeting, you can see that we get back to the meeting immediately. So basically, this is how you use the Zoom application. If you have any question, just drop it as comment, and we are going to help you as much as you wish. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you very much.